Everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to send crypto on your Nexo wallet using a laptop or a desktop. And if you're new here, Nexo is a popular crypto platform that allows you to store, earn interest, borrow and manage cryptocurrencies all in one place. So if you want to deposit crypto safely into your Nexo account, make sure you watch this video till the end. So first you need to open any web browser on your laptop and go to the official Nexo website. Type down nexo.com and enter over here. So since you get into this interface, what you can do is you can log into your account over here, tap over it. So right here, you just logged into your Nexo account. Over here in the dashboard, scroll down on the list of supported cryptocurrencies. This shows all assets you can deposit. Find the crypto you want to send, for example, BTC, ETH or Nexo. Next, you'll see a transfer button over here. Click it and then choose add over here. And make sure the network or wallet you're sending from to avoid losing funds. Once selecting, you'll see the deposit address. This is your Nexo wallet address for that crypto, and copy the address carefully and destination tag or memo if needed for certain coins. Now open the external wallet or exchange where the crypto is currently stored. You can go to the send or withdraw section, paste your Nexo address, enter the amount and confirm the transaction. And after you send it, the crypto will appear in your Nexo account once the required blockchain confirmations are completed. And make sure always to double check the crypto asset and network match, otherwise the fund could be lost permanently. And that's how you can send crypto to your Nexo wallet using a laptop or desktop in quick and secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more crypto tutorials. And if you have any confusions or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.